Right guys, welcome back to the video. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this video guys, I have brought you guys an update concerning the coin that we all have been claiming for a certain period now, and this airdrop is very promising. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. All right, so over here guys, over here when I click over here on this gift button down below right here, you can see that we still have about 41 days left before we can actually start claiming this airdrop, before we actually start cashing out. All right, so I'm having a little network problem right here, but we're gonna be proceeding immediately right now. All right, so over here guys, this airdrop is an interesting one, and it allows you to earn their native token, which is called CLX right here. So over here you can see over here, so over here they allow you to earn CLX for just predicting where the next price of Bitcoin will go. All right, so over here, if you predict or forecast that the price of Bitcoin is going to drop down, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on down right here. But if you want to forecast that it will go up, you go ahead and click on this green button right here by tapping it 2 times. All right, so this airdrop is very promising, and I've seen a lot of top crypto groups talk about it. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this type of airdrop right here. So but they brought a lot of updates which I need you all to key into it. So before I proceed and tell you guys most of the things that we do to earn more from this airdrop, and also how you can be able to position yourself very well for this airdrop, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, it's actually mean a lot of things to us. What you need to do right now to support the channel is to simply go ahead and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscription button, and also you tap on the bell icon and select also that we will send a notification immediately we post any new video. So if you want to go extra mile, what you got to do right now is below the video you are watching right now, all you got to do is to simply go ahead and below the video you are watching right now, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up like this, then you share the video to any social media platform of your choice. Then finally come over here to the comment section, you put a very nice and interesting comment right there to qualify yourself for our free BNB giveaway on our Telegram channel. All right, so the link to everything is going to be dropped on the video description down below. All you got to do to find the video description is simply go ahead and click on more, and a lot of information concerning the video will be brought out for you. All right, so right now let's go back and talk about the airdrop. So over here guys, we are actually earning CLX for just predicting where the next price of Bitcoin will go. So over here guys, if you want to predict, I'm having a little network issue right here, so bear with me. All right, so if you want to earn more from this airdrop, which is the CLX, all you got to do is simply go ahead and click over here that we have this gift button right here. Okay, so when you click on the gift button, this will load up immediately, and it will take you to where you're gonna be earning yourself free coin every day by just checking in. So if you want to earn more coin right here, before I will go ahead and talk about other things right here, this is where we have our daily check-in. So over here, you check in daily to get yourself free cryptos every day. Like you know, when you check in, you are going to be given free CLX, but I've checked in already for today, so I can't check in anymore. So over here guys, they have a lot of top things right here which you need to take care of. So over here guys, you remember we have about 41 days left for this airdrop, so if you haven't keyed in yet, please make sure you participate on this airdrop. Do not miss out for anything. All right, so the link to everything is going to be dropped on the video description down below. So right now, to get started, the next thing they need you to do right here, they actually require you to buy GP card pack. All right, so when you click on it, you are going to require to have a certain amount of CLX for you to be able to buy this packs. All right, so this pack contains special packages for you which you need to get for you to be able to earn even more from this airdrop. So let me buy the basic one, which is 30 CLX. I think I have about 30 CLX on my wallet. So when I click on it like this, I'm going to require to input my pin before I can be able to buy this eventually. All right, so right now I think I'm good to go. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, so you can see please wait, blockchain confirmation, and blah blah blah. So over here guys, you can see over here that I just earned about 49 GP for buying it with 30 CLX. All right, so right now 30 CLX, I just use it to earn 49 GP. So GP is just another kind of token on this, so you just need to give it a try. All right, so right now I need to go back like this. So if you want to buy more, you can actually buy more. All right, for our interest here is not all about this. So right now I have to go back like this. So once I get back like this, you can see right here that actually right here my points are just increased right now, and the next thing I need to do right here is that I need to follow them on Twitter to get myself 10 points. So right now when I click on it, so this will actually take me to the Twitter handle where I need to give them a follow. All right, so you all should endeavor to go through all this process before you can be able to earn the required amount of token that you need to earn for you to enjoy very well when the token finally launch within next 40 days. All right, right now all you got to do right here is to simply go ahead and give them a follow like this. Okay, so over here guys, you can see this project is actually followed by a whole lot of people, which is the X Radar. So when I click over here and the people that are following them, you can see that they are followed by Bybit NFT, crypto for bailout and Tola. All right, so these are the top gurus on the crypto space. You don't need to joke with. All right, so even if it's only this Bybit that you see right here, it should be enough reason for you to give this video, for you to believe on this airdrop. All right, so right now, once I just follow them, I guess once you follow them, you go back like this, and you I think I have a problem issue, network issue right here, so I've gotten back right now. So you need to read this up. So you can see they have maintenance around the corner. So let's close this and proceed with the video. So over here, guys, you can see that I just follow them right now, and I have earned myself 10 XP. So right now I need to join the Telegram handle, so I will click on it. So this will open up my Telegram account where I need to join them immediately. So over here, all I got to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on join, and I have joined them immediately. So I have to go back like this, and you can see I have just earned myself another 10 XP right here, 10 points. So over here you can see check Discord announcement. So right now I have to click on this, I need to click on it, then I will go to redirecting the page, redirection to the hint page, find the code and come back, enter the code. So let's try and find out if we can be able to find the code eventually. All right, so over here, guys, you can see this is my Discord right here. I need to accept the invites, then we are going to be proceeding immediately. Okay, so over here I need to find the code which I'm going to be using to actually get to proceed with the airdrop on claiming my points. All right, and over here on the announcement page, you can see over here this is the hint code. Sometimes this will be shared, so you just need to tap on it for it to open up. You can see over here the hint code is 200k users. So right now I have to go back like this, and I have to input the code. I guess I have to input 200k users. All right, something like this. Then you click on confirm, and boom, you just confirmed and you have earned your points right now. So if you're mining this coin live right now, this you should simply go ahead and do what I just did right now, and also make sure you continue mining, because this airdrop is very, very promising, and we all are gonna be earning very much from this airdrop. So thank you. This is actually my practical wallet. This is not my main wallet. You can see right here I have absolutely zero referral, which is literally impossible. All right, so I just want to use this opportunity to give you guys this update concerning this. So make sure you're mining very well, and make sure that you are following us up right here on our channel so that you get notified immediately we post the next update concerning this project. All right, so thank you for watching this video till this point, and I wish you guys the best of luck. So let's predict, as I'll be ending the video right now. So I'll just click on down 2 times. So right now I just posted my my prediction right here, so that if I'm correct, I'm gonna be getting rewarded in CLX, and if I'm wrong, I'm still gonna be getting rewarded. All right, so right now I've made my prediction right here. You can see over here this is the balance, and right here you can see over here on the chat you can actually chat with real people. Where do you have the chat? Okay, you can see over here you can actually chat with real people right here, and it's just as fun as this. All right, so thank you for watching the video till the end, and I will see you guys on my next videos that are gonna be dropped very soon. Peace out, and enjoy the rest of the day.